So CBDCs are digital currencies that are introduced by a local government. These are different from Ethereum or Bitcoin or Solana, all those currencies, because as a centralized body, the government can manage the central bank digital currency. So whether it's Aussie dollars or US dollars or Indian rupees, it will be a similar version of a digital currency. So it will be a digital Australian dollars and digital US dollars and digital Indian rupee. And what this gives is this gives power to the government, more power to the government to control where the funds are being flowed into, what you can spend your money on, and how you spend that money on, given it's digital. So what we have to do is we have to get involved in discussions with the governing bodies to work out how we can support or we can provide information on creating our next currency.